You're cute and fancy cons. You show me everything you got under your threads, as if you're all my butter and bread. You tell me really sweet things about your moods and your swings, and ask me in for a real fling. You make me think we're going to get married. You always say you're coming over, then you always say you're poor. But if money makes it better, what is love really for? You're not real. You're not real. You're not real. You're not real. You've been calling me for so long, and I've been reaching for you. I'm a pair of tongues. You never really tell me anything that fills your heart, as if you're just a cherry tart.